Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wish ka muna, wish.
Wish muna.
Wish. Again.
Wish muna, wish.
Wish ka muna, wag mo sasabihin. Hindi mo makikita.
Ulit.
Lapit mo konti dali sa kanya.
Yay!
Here's your gift. Ito muna. Picture muna kita. Smile. Show mo yung gift. Daddy, lagay mo dito sa gilid yung cake. Please, sa kanya. Itaas mo. Ganyan. Ria, smile. Smile. Open your gift. Open your gift. Go. Sige. Sige.
Best birthday mo.
Best birthday.
Yung katulog pa ako, kala ko kung ano yun. Kala ko kung sino yung magkakanta yun.
Yan.
Open it. Open. Sige. What's that?
Kakagising na kasi.
Wala pa sa ulirat eh.
What's that? What's that?
Get it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Chocolate ba to?
Opo. Are you happy? Ha? Oh.
Happy birthday! Watching happy birthday! Miss you! Happy birthday, Watching! Mag-ingat po kayo. Mag-ingat po kayo lagi. Maglaro tayo soon. Happy birthday! Bye!
Happiest birthday, Wonshin. Mamimiss kita and sana mag-aral kang mabuti. Sumunod ka lang mami and daddy. And be a good boy always. I love you.
Birthday, Rio!
Papakabait ka lagi, sundin mo lagi mami at daddy mo, aral kang mabuti. Enjoy your day. Ikaw,
Sabi mo
kaya mo,
na.
happy birthday, Ryu.
Rio!
Happy birthday.
Oo, di ba? Ikaw,
Sana bumalik ulit kayo dito.
happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hi, Wonshin. Happy birthday. Thank you for being my good friend. See you soon. I miss you.
Happiest birthday, Wonshin. May your day filled with joy and laughter. Kasama sila mami mo, si daddy, at si ate mo. Ayan, no? So, enjoy your special day and see you on July 15. Ayan, no? So, good luck sa next level ng iyong pag-aaral. Ayan, no? So, grade 1 ka na. Ayan, mamimit mo na yung magiging teachers mo. Ayan, so, good luck sa'yo at alam naman namin na kayang-kaya mo. Okay? Good luck and happy birthday again.
Hi, Rio. Happy birthday. We love you. Happy 6 years old anniversary. We love you.
Oh, Lola!
Happy birthday, Rio! Sana lumaki kang matalino, mabait, at magalang, at bibong-bibo. Happy birthday, Apo! I love you!
Hi, Wonshin. Happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day. Lagi kang makikinig ng mommy and daddy, okay? And see you sa pasukan. Sana maging masaya ka and I miss you and I love you. See you soon!
Hi, Rio. Good morning sa inyo dyan lahat.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Rio. Wish lang namin ni Mama,
Good boy.
huwag kayo magkakasakit. Tapos good boy kayo lagi kay Mama, tsaka kay Mami, tsaka kay Daddy. Kayong magkapatid.
Aral mabuti.
Yes, sa'yo, Rio. Huwag masyadong hyper. Happy
Love
birthday.
you. Happy birthday.
Love you. Wish namin nandiyan sana kami.
Oo.
Okay.
Love you.
Bye-bye. Love you.
Hi Ryu! Happy 6th birthday! Ang message ko lang sa'yo ay pagpatuloy mo ang pag-aaral ng mabuti. Kayong dalawa ni Ate Sam, huwag kayong mag-aaway. Lagi kayong susunod kay Mommy at Daddy. So, super happy kami at super swerte nyo na naging mommy nyo ang iyong mommy at daddy kasi binibigay nila lahat ng mga bagay na deserve nyo naman magkaroon. Alam nyo ba yung mga na-experience nyo, yung mga bagay na meron kayo ngayon, hindi namin yan na-experience dati. Kaya ngayon, pinaparana sa inyo nila mommy at daddy. Because you deserve the best of life. Kasi grabe naman yung pagpapasaya na binibigay niya sa ating family. Lagi lang kaming nandito, maybe not physically, but mentally, emotionally, spiritually. We love you always. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Ushin. I miss you. Kita tayo sa skola. Happy birthday, Rio. I miss you.
Hi Rio, happy birthday. Be a good boy always. Lalo na kay Ate Sam, kay Daddy, kay Mami. Stay as sweet as you are, anak, ha. Study hard. Love na love ka ni Lolo at saka ni Lola. Same with Tatay. I love you, anak. Happy birthday ulit.
Thank you, guys.